Hello everyone, it is me Vanna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a perfect slime in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. So for this you will be needing is some glue. I got a lot of glue. Then of course main part, slime activator, a bowl, spoon, and I'm going to use this spatula. Spatula very helpful. Then I got this a little mini colors. And I just got this slime kit from my Masi. Thank you. So guys, let's get started making a slime. So in first we are going to see instruction. We are going to put 20 ml of glue in it. Sorry. Twist it a little bit. There's no mark, guys. Sorry. But there's no mark. So I also don't know 20 ml. I think this is enough. Oh, just a little bit. Okay, so this is enough. You can take more. And then, they're not. They're just saying the instructions. Yeah. But I really don't. I know how to make slime. Where it is saying we are going to choose a color for a slime. What should I take? This is difficult, guys. And whenever you are choosing color for your slime, then it is super tough. I'm going to take yellow. Here is my spoon. Spoon. And drops. It is not coming, guys. Okay, so it is enough. Then mix it with the help of a spoon. It's not with a spatula, guys. Wow. It is a juice, a mango juice. I'm going to add a little bit more glue. Okay. Because I don't think I'll add 20 ml. Then mix it for a while, for 45 seconds you need to mix it. Wow. Oh. Let's look at this. Then after mixing it for 45 seconds, we are going to add 1 drop of activator. It says 1 or 2 teaspoons, but I'm going to add 2. Okay, that is. And guys, first I quickly wanted to tell you that with this kit I'm making this slime, that is the unlimited slime kit, glitter and sparkle. It means it came with glitter and sparkle. Wow. And mix it for a while. Now I'm going to mix it with spatula. When it is you can think, when it is like this, then please do it with spatula. Because it really works with spatula. Okay, now then guys, after that we are going to do is this is a main trick that I'm going to tell you, and this is my secret, top secret, not top secret. Many of people know this. First, for this we are going to take slime activated liquid plus. You need to take it. Okay, friends. Then after that, we are going to just like put few drops in your hand. No, that is enough. Okay, then take the slime in your hand. Like put it like a dough. Ooh, this slime kit is amazing, friends. Wow. It is like spider, like spider. I don't know what is that called. I was like where spider lived. It is like that. It was like that. Okay. I'm just mixing it. Okay. Wow. Oh no. It is like super difficult to do this, friends. Oh no. Okay. Oh, it is getting good in a few minutes. Wow. Ah, it is super good. It is getting a slime. Wow. Look at this, guys. Amazing. This is called a toy line. Wow. Okay. Then I'm going to put this in the bowl. Okay, so friends, I hope you like this video, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, bye bye.